Hey everyone, and welcome to another interior walk along. My name is Tanya Sheikh, and I'm a Lahore based interior designer. The project for today is an upper story apartment that was partially renovated and partially constructed. Space was an element we wanted to highlight. That's why once we entered into the building, we walked into our open concept kitchen and living area that featured one large window and key skylight area. Keeping space and light are key factors. We designed the space taking inspiration from the outdoors. Going for an urban look as well, we decided to add brick tile to our walls. The whole concept of using outdoor elements automatically gave a room the space that it needed, adding the natural light and other key outdoor design elements aided in maintaining the perception of openness and space. Moving over to the master suite, here we were to maintain the openness by going for a more minimalistic yet modern design scheme. We had two large windows, one towards the sitting area and the other towards the bedroom. We were to add additional wardrobe space on the request of our client, and the challenge was to blend that in with our design while at the same time maintaining the element of space, and we did exactly that with the help of the color white. The master design plan did well on paper. Let's take you along to see what a transformation was like in person. Hardware has been installed. At this stage, smaller details are being taken care of. The marble imitation wall for the TV console is also complete. Our additional wardrobes in the sitting area have also been painted and are close to being done. You can see the effect the white is adding to the interior of our room. It is subduing the elements while at the same time adding a touch of grace. Only a smaller key features are going to be highlighted in this master suite, which include our master wardrobe and our black TV console unit in front of our marbleized wall. Our kitchen area has been fleshed out, the base paintwork is underway, and our final paint colors will be added soon. We're doing something a bit different for the backsplash. We'll be going for an outdoor stucco look in between our cabinets. Our urban theme is being highlighted through our kitchen colors, a choice of matte black for the lower cabinetry and the natural finish for the upper cabinetry all tie our theme in. Our stucco is also in place that is going to be painted white to add contrast in between our upper and lower cabinets. The star of our design scheme is up next, the skylight area that we have kept as close to the outdoors as possible with its glass roof and other decorative elements like these gorgeous outdoor lanterns. Most of the interior work is now complete. The final things to arrive are the furniture pieces. The windows are also to be installed along with the window treatments, which all will be taken care of later in the day. Our marble imitation wall is now complete with these two lights in black. They match the matte black console and fireplace below and provide the contrast that is needed in the otherwise subdued sitting area. With our furniture placed and our window installers at work, we only had one task at hand to finish off. At our workshop, our team was working on one final piece for our skylight area, a decorative window shutter in this vibrant mint color to complete our outdoor theme. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What did you think of our design? If you enjoyed, please do leave a like and ring the bell icon and subscribe for more interior related content. Till the next one, goodbye.